What's up, guys? Today we will be doing a Subway Surfers video, and we will be trying to see how long we can last.
What are you making? No.
Tell me if you play this game. Tell me what your high score is down below, and down below in the comments. Hopefully, hopefully it's not better than mine. Because if I turned off my internet, which I will, yeah, see, look at that. You guys, tell me if you've beaten 467,727 with no save me's. It's pretty hard to do.
If you're gonna lie, don't comment.
That was my sister. I don't know if you could hear her or not.
For real, that's not right. Never lie.
Says the person who lies all the time.
No, I don't.
Oh.
You told, when you hit Ashley with the rubber band, you told her to go say, that she stepped on a freaking.
I didn't say stepped on it. So, no, I didn't. I said say you sat on it, Riri. But that was game one. These are getting a rubber band. A rubber band cannot go through your butt. Guys, if you're a doctor and you're watching this, can a rubber band go through your butt by getting shot with it?
Only a doctor. If you're a kid, do not comment.
Yeah, if you're a kid,
swear to God.
If you're a kid, you can comment because it's my video. I say what goes. And you are my sleepy ninjas. So you don't have to listen to her. If you're one of her cupcakes, then get away from my videos. No, I'm just playing. We need you here. It's good that you're supporting everyone. But go check out my friend's channel. His name is King Weaves. He does gaming videos and vlogs. And if you haven't already, check out my sister's channel. It's Cupcakes 2, but it might not pop up as Cupcakes 2. You might have to put Analia Fry because she changed her name from Analia Fry to Cupcakes 2. So I don't know if it will work or not. Okay, guys, comment down below how many coins you think I will get before I die. And if you guess around there, I will if you guess right, if you guess somewhere around there, I will play a game of your guys' choice. I will play a game of your guys' choice, and I will let my sister hit me in the chest. Okay, so I want to play one more time now. Now would be the time to do that. Now would be the time to do the why a bronze? I mean, okay, so here we go. Let's play. Let's see how many coins I can get. Try to guess what money I'll get. If you hear music, that's my little sister's. I don't know why, but she likes Justin Bieber. Okay, so go here.
That's stupid. My mama don't like me, but she likes everyone.
Okay, let's keep going, guys. I think I can get up to about 500 coins. Comment down below how many coins you've ever had the most in one game. The most I've ever had was 11,000. I don't know how, but I was just on a roll, and I didn't use any keys. altogether, I have 6 of these penguins because it's the winter one since it's close to Christmas.
15 more days to Christmas
It's the 11th, I thought.
on Sunday.
I know, but it's the 11th.
21st.
It's the 25th.
Yeah, that's my half birthday.
Christmas is on the 25th.
Yeah.
For those of you that think it's not.
Mom says it's my half birthday.
So, let's go. Let's keep going, guys, because YouTube will not let us upload any videos past 15 minutes. So my FIFA video of game 1 didn't go. So that will be it. Okay, ninjas, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do and hit that like button. Stay sleepy.